Hello, welcome to our 8th lesson. In this lesson, we will model the shape shown in the visual and learn 2 new commands. We'll start by sketching on the front plane to create the base shape. First, I draw the circle and the lines around it. There is no need to draw the upper part separately because we can use the offset command to move the lines. I click on the offset command and move the lines by 10 millimeters. I close the gaps between other 2 lines. Use the extruded base command, give volume to the shape, and choose the mid-plane option to keep it centered. I also set the dimension for volume. Next, we will round off the corners using the fillet command. I enter the radius value and select the 4 edges to smooth them. Now, let's create the holes. I click on the sketch command and select the surface of the model. Then, I choose the circle command. To align the circles with the arcs, I hover the mouse over the edges, and the center points appear. After drawing the circles, I dimension them. I use the extruded cut command to create the holes. Finally, we need to create the cutout on the right side of the model. I click on the sketch command and select the surface of the model. Then sketch the lines for the cutout based on the visual. Dimension the sketch. And use the extruded cut command to remove the material. As you can see, our model is now ready.